Okay, so this is problem 4.2.83, and we're asked to divide and write the result using scientific notation. And we have 1.0 times 10 to the 5th divided by 5.0 times 10 to the 6th. Okay, and so I'm actually going to rewrite this in a different form. So this is the same thing as having 1.0 times 10 to the 5th in a numerator and the 5.0 times 10 to the 6th in the denominator. Okay, and the way we're going to deal with problems like this is we're going to work with these numbers separately from these numbers. These are in base 10, and so we can use the quotient rule to take care of that. And then these we can just treat like you would any division. So if you take 1 and divide it by 5 on your calculator, you're going to get 0.2. Okay, and then if we use the quotient rule here, the quotient rule says that if we have the same base, then we can subtract the numerator, the denominator from the numerator. So it would be 10 to the 5 minus 6. Okay, so this is actually 0.2 times 10 to the negative 1. Now, this number is not in scientific notation because scientific notation says that your leading number here is always between 1 and 10. It can be equal to 1, but it can't be equal to 10, so it has to be less than 10. So this is not greater than 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this decimal point and I'm actually going to move it one place to the right, and that would give me 2.0. Effectively what I've done is I have added, I've made this number bigger by a factor of 10. And in order to keep this number balanced, I would actually need to take that away from this right here. So I would say, you know, I've added a factor of 10, so let me take away a factor of 10, and I will show that by writing this as 10 to the negative second. Okay, so that would actually be our answer for this problem.